Good afternoon everyone, and welcome to today's presentation on the Zeelander Fly Trap Forex trading system. Thomas Willmott is excited to share with you my journey in developing this revolutionary trading system that has helped countless traders achieve success in the Forex market. Before we dive into the details of the Zeelander Fly Trap Forex trading system, let me give you a bit of background information. I've been trading in the Forex market for over a decade, and during that time, I've seen many traders struggle to make consistent profits. That's why I decided to develop a trading system that would help traders identify profitable trades while minimizing risk. And thus, the Zeelander Fly Trap Forex trading system was born. The Zeelander Fly Trap Forex trading system is a unique approach to trading in the foreign exchange market. It is based on the idea that successful trading requires a deep understanding of market dynamics and a willingness to adapt to changing conditions. At its core, the system uses a combination of technical analysis and fundamental analysis to identify potential trades. This involves looking at a variety of indicators, such as moving averages, trend lines, and support and resistance levels, to determine the direction of the market. Once a trade has been identified, the system uses a set of rules to enter and exit the trade, with the goal of maximizing profits and minimizing risk. The Zeelander Fly Trap Forex trading system is highly effective due to its ability to identify profitable trades and minimize risk. By using a combination of technical analysis and market indicators, the system can accurately predict market trends and make informed trading decisions. One of the key benefits of the Zeelander Fly Trap Forex trading system is its ability to adapt to changing market conditions. This means that it can continue to generate profits even in volatile markets, making it a reliable and consistent trading strategy. To begin using the Zeelander Fly Trap Forex trading system, start by identifying the right trading platform that supports the system. Once you have found a compatible platform, you can then install the Zeelander Fly Trap Forex trading system software and configure it according to your preferences. Next, you need to familiarize yourself with the various features of the system and learn how to interpret the signals it generates. This can be done by reading the user manual or watching tutorial videos that explain how to use the system effectively. Once you are comfortable with the system, you can start using it to make trades. The system will generate signals based on market trends and provide you with recommendations for buying or selling currency pairs. It is important to follow these signals closely and not deviate from them, as this can lead to losses. Finally, it is important to track your progress and analyze your results. Keep a record of your trades and use this information to make adjustments to your trading strategy. By staying disciplined and following the system consistently, you can maximize your chances of success. One trader, John Smith, started using the Zeelander Fly Trap Forex trading system and saw a significant increase in his profits. He was able to identify profitable trades with ease and minimize his risk, resulting in a 30% increase in his overall earnings. Another trader, Sarah Johnson, had struggled with Forex trading for years before discovering the Zeelander Fly Trap system. She found it easy to use and implement, and within just a few months, she had doubled her initial investment. In conclusion, the Zeelander Fly Trap Forex trading system is a highly effective tool for identifying profitable trades and minimizing risk. By using this system, traders can increase their chances of success in the Forex market. We have seen that the Zeelander Fly Trap Forex trading system works by analyzing market trends and identifying key trading signals. It is easy to implement and has been proven to be successful by many traders. If you are looking to improve your Forex trading results, we highly recommend giving the Zeelander Fly Trap Forex trading system a try. With its proven track record of success, it is a tool that every serious trader should have in their arsenal. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.